Speaking of the Task Manager, let's go look at it. I'm going to right-click on my taskbar and go to my Task Manager. I want to show you, check this out. Look at how clean that is. Okay, very clean. It's just point blank showing me what most people go to the Task Manager for, which is, well, what do I have running? And it shows me Windows PowerShell ISE. That's it. That's what I have running right now. If I were to open up something else, so I'll hit Start, type in the calculator. Okay, there you go. Now I have Windows Calculator and Windows PowerShell ISE, and you can still do things like you could before, right? Highlight Windows Calculator, end task, boom, it's gone. If I click on more details, however, now we get back to something a little bit closer to what we had before, right? We have a number of different tabs going on here. We have a little bit more of the clutter, but at the same time, we have a little bit more capability and power. Now, I'm not going to go into all the various details of the Task Manager because we're here to learn PowerShell. But I just thought that I would show you that we have this broken down into different types, right? We have our apps, and it shows me we have the Task Manager and the PowerShell ISE apps running. Here are some background processes. Here's our Windows processes. And just to kind of really make things look similar, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here to the View menu and say that I don't want to group by type anymore. And I just want to show you that this is going to match very closely with what we have listed over here in our PowerShell window. That's kind of the whole point about why I'm showing you this, is that you're seeing the same thing here. Okay, and it may vary slightly because this is obviously dynamic. It's always kind of a moving target. It's always updating, but it's very close, right? We have a couple of client-server runtime processes. Here it looks like we had 3 of the CSRSSs running previously. Same thing, by the way. Here we have the Desktop Windows Manager, okay, so on and so forth. There's a lot of stuff. Here's all our service hosts,